We recently added a new feature to Circle Design Studio. With MLS Property Search, you can now add property details and photos to your design in just one click. No more copying and pasting text. Watch this video for an easy walkthrough. Step 1. Log into your Design Studio account and find the template you want to edit. Step 2. After selecting a template, type in the property address or MLS number in the property search bar. The page will then automatically pull up all available details about the home, including photos. Step 3. Add the property details such as bedrooms, bath, square feet, and pricing. The property description only allows up to 500 characters. Anything above that will be cut. Trim and edit the description as you see fit to proceed. Step 4. Click Create. Images are automatically uploaded to a MLS folder in the Uploads tab. Then select and add them in the placeholder. Step 5. Just double-check the information added to your design. Done in just a few minutes. Stay tuned for more Circle Design Studio updates. For marketing requests, scan this QR code and fill out the marketing request form.